With deep sadness and heavy shock, we came to know the loss of our most finest Irfan Khan. In fact, the legend leaves behind a great legacy of some of the most unbelievable moments in Indian cinema and the international cinema. This is a time to perhaps sit and think probably the great impact which he actually created. He left us too very early, right? At the age of 54, he succumbed to this neuroendocrine tumor, and his demise has really shocked millions and millions of people across the globe. I pray that his family and all the closest members at this moment of time, they're able to endure what reality has actually given them a shock and unbelievable performances, be it in Piku, be it in Makbul or Pan Singh Tomar. He had a great nuance for every different emotions. His expressions were so very versatile. His on-screen persona was so very adorable and charming. Even the recent of his films like Kareeb Kareeb Single or even Angrezi Medium. I mean, it leaves a kind of impact which stays inside you for long. I mean, long after the movie gets over. So his journey has been a great journey, but he left us too short. He has created some of the most amazing performances on screen, uh, be it the modern Hindi cinema or some of the international classics. His association with some of the greatest legends, and him being a kind of director's most loved actor still is an thing which we cannot forget. So Irfan always stays with us because of his work, because of the great achievements which he has done, and may his soul rest in peace. I just am not able to come out of this emotion of his sudden demise. He has been fighting this cancer for past 2 years, so he has been a fighter till the end, and he keeps fighting on. And I believe this is a kind of great loss not only to the Indian film industry but to the entire world cinema. And very few actors can probably touch the pedestal and the amount of achievement which he has created. So may his legacy have a lasting impact in many future actors' lives. So yeah, this is a very very shocking moment. So I pray for his soul to rest in peace.